Hello students, I am Anju Mathur of Raval Convent School. Today I am going to explain you short story writing. Short story. It is an artistic form of prose fiction which is centered on a single main incident whose aim is to produce a single dominant impression. What makes short story different from the other prose fiction, particularly novel? A novel can take a more meandering path, but writing short stories means beginning or as close to the climax as possible. Everything else is a distraction. A short story conserves characters and scenes, typically by focusing on just one conflict, and drives towards a sudden unexpected revelation. How to write a short story? Collect ideas for your story. Experience usually helps to build good plots. Find inspiration from real people. Keep the amazing and the unusual, the strange, the irrational stories you hear and use them for your own purposes. If you have trouble understanding or finding attributes of a character, turn to your life. You can easily borrow attributes of people you know or even strangers you notice. Write a catchy first paragraph. The first sentence of your narrative should catch your reader's attention with the unusual, the unexpected, an action or a conflict. Begin with tension and immediacy. Remember that short stories need to start close to their end. Note the difference. I heard my neighbor through the wall. The neighbor behind us practiced scream therapy in his shower almost every day. Dry and uninteresting. The second sentence catches the reader's attention. Who is this guy who goes in his shower every day and screams? Why does he do that? What exactly is scream therapy? Let's keep reading. Developing characters. In order to develop a living, breathing, multifaceted character, it is important to know way more about the character than you will ever use in the story. Choose a point of view. First person. The story is told from the view of I. The narrator is either the protagonist, main character, and directly affected by unfolding events, or the narrator is a secondary character, telling the story revolving around the protagonist. Choose a point of view. Second person. The story is told directly to you, with the reader as a participant in the action. You laughed loudly at the antics of the clown. You clapped your hands with joy. Choose a point of view. Third person. The story tells what he, she, or it does. The third person narrates. Narrator's perspective can be limited, telling the story from one character's viewpoint, or omniscient, where the narrator knows everything about all of the characters. Write meaningful dialogue. Dialogue is what your characters say to each other or to themselves. Each speaker gets his or her own paragraph, and the paragraph includes whatever you wish to say about what the character is doing when speaking. Use setting and context. Rather than feed your readers information about the weather, population statistics, or how far it is to the grocery store, substitute descriptive details so your reader can experience the location the way your characters do. It can be helpful to make some sort of timeline to help you decide what should happen when and where. Set up the plot. Your story should consist of, at least of an introduction, initiating incident, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. You can draw or write a visual with a very simple descriptions of what should happen in each of these stages. Having this done will help you keep focused when writing the story, and you can easily make changes to it so that you are able to keep a steady flow as you write the full story. Create conflict and tension. Conflict is the fundamental element of the fiction. Fundamental because in literature only trouble is interesting. Conflict produces tension that makes the story begin. Tension is created by opposition between the character or characters and internal or external forces or conditions. By balancing the opposing forces of the conflict, you keep readers glued to the pages wondering how the story will end. Possible conflicts include the protagonist against another individual, the protagonist against the nature or technology, the protagonist against society, the protagonist against God, the protagonist against himself or herself. Build to a crisis or climax. This is the turning point of the story, the most exciting or dramatic moment. It is the moment the reader has been waiting for. In Cinderella's case, the payoff is when the slipper fits. Find a resolution. In short fiction, it is difficult to provide a complete resolution, and you often need to just show that characters are beginning to change in some way or starting to see things differently. I hope you are clear with the topic. Thank you.